In an era where big corporations wield colossal datasets and cutting-edge technology, one might think that small businesses stand little chance in the competitive marketplace. Yet, the digital revolution, spearheaded by artificial intelligence, AI, is proving to be a game-changer, leveling the playing field in ways previously unimaginable. Now, in 2024, AI tools are not just accessible luxuries, they are essential cogs in the machinery of thriving small businesses. These intelligent systems are capable of automating complex tasks, deriving insightful data analytics, enhancing customer interactions, and much more, all without the need for corporate-sized budgets. This essay delves deep into 10 must-have AI tools that are reshaping the business landscape for small enterprises, offering them a shot at success and innovation previously reserved for their giant counterparts. Chatbots enhancing customer service. The era of waiting on hold to speak with a customer service representative is becoming obsolete. AI-driven chatbots are now crucial in managing customer inquiries efficiently 24/7. These virtual assistants are trained using natural language processing, NLP, to understand and respond to customer queries with surprising accuracy. One of the premier examples in 2024 is ChatGPT-4, which has been seamlessly integrated into numerous small business websites. It handles everything from answering FAQs to booking appointments without human intervention, ensuring that customer engagement never sleeps. Chatbots are not just about answering queries, they also collect valuable data on customer interactions. This data can be analyzed to improve services, tailor marketing strategies, and even innovate new products. AI-powered analytics, driving strategic decisions. Data is the new currency in the digital economy, but raw data alone is like unrefined oil. AI-powered analytics tools, such as Tableau AI, transform this data into actionable insights that can guide decision-making and strategic planning. By leveraging machine learning, these tools offer predictive analytics, which helps businesses anticipate market trends and customer behavior. Small businesses can engage with these insights, making informed decisions that align better with future market conditions and consumer needs. AI analytics tools also democratize data analysis, enabling those without a deep background in data science to make informed decisions. Automated inventory management systems. Managing inventory can be a massive headache for small business owners, constantly balancing between overstocking and running out of popular items. State-of-the-art AI inventory management systems are designed to optimize this balancing act. Systems like Bright Pearl AI use algorithms to predict stock needs based on sales trends, seasonal demands, and other factors, substantially reducing the guesswork involved in inventory management. These tools not only save time and reduce human error, but also help in maintaining the right stock levels, thus minimizing costs and maximizing sales potential. The hiring process can be time-consuming and costly, particularly for small businesses. AI tools in HR, like HireVue, use algorithms and machine learning to streamline the recruitment process and assist in finding the best candidates more efficiently. These tools automate tasks such as sorting through applications, scheduling interviews, and even conducting preliminary interviews via AI-driven assessments. This not only speeds up the hiring process, but also helps in securing the most suitable candidates by analyzing data points that might be overlooked manually. AI in HR not only refines recruitment, but also enhances other aspects of human resources management, including employee engagement and performance evaluations.
Project management is a complex field requiring precise coordination of resources, timelines, and personnel. AI tools in this area like Monday.com with built-in AI functionalities help small business owners streamline project workflows and enhance efficiency. These tools provide predictive insights related to project timelines, resource management, and potential bottlenecks, allowing managers to make proactive adaptations to keep projects on track. AI-enabled project management tools are indispensable for small businesses, helping them manage multiple projects effectively without the need for large teams. In today's market, an online presence is crucial for any business. AI tools that enhance online presence, such as Wix's AI-driven website builder, allow small businesses to create sophisticated websites that are optimized for user experience and search engines. These tools use AI to customize website design based on industry trends, user behavior, and business needs, making it easier for businesses to maintain a competitive edge in the digital space. Having a robust online presence supported by AI not only draws more traffic, but also improves customer interaction and satisfaction. Lastly, the true power of AI tools lies in their ability to integrate seamlessly with other business systems and scale as the business grows. Platforms that offer integrative solutions, such as Salesforce's AI-powered CRM, are essential in ensuring that all areas of business are interconnected and benefiting from AI capabilities. This holistic approach allows small businesses to adopt AI effectively across their operations, magnifying the benefits and enabling smarter, more coordinated business processes. AI integration is pivotal for small businesses to realize the full potential of digital transformation, ensuring that these tools evolve in tandem with business growth. As AI continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, its accessibility and affordability are making it not just a viable option, but a cornerstone strategy for small businesses aiming to compete and thrive in the digital era. With tools that cover aspects from customer service to cybersecurity, the landscape in 2024 shows that integrating AI is not merely a futuristic concept, but a present-day imperative. Leveraging these tools can elevate a small business's capabilities, driving success and innovation in the face of evolving market challenges. In an era where big corporations wield colossal datasets and cutting-edge technology, one might think that small businesses stand little chance in the competitive marketplace. Yet, the digital revolution, spearheaded by artificial intelligence, AI, is proving to be a game changer, leveling the playing field in ways previously unimaginable. Now, in 2024, AI tools are not just accessible luxuries, they are essential cogs in the machinery of thriving small businesses. These intelligent systems are capable of automating complex tasks, deriving insightful data analytics, enhancing customer interactions, and much more, all without the need for corporate-sized budgets. This essay delves deep into 10 must-have AI tools that are reshaping the business landscape for small enterprises, offering them a shot at success and innovation previously reserved for their giant counterparts.